Welcome back. So this is a second calculation under motion. Let's read the question. It said a ball is released from a height. A ball is what? Released from a height, right? Above the ground. Find its velocity after 5 seconds. Find its velocity after 5 seconds. Take g, which is what? Acceleration due to gravity or the gravitational force, right? Take g as what? 10 meter per second square. Now, in most of the question, you might not be given this value of g, but take note, okay? If you are not given the value of g, note that the value of g is what? Is 10. Are you getting it? So take note. Okay, solution. Now, whenever you want to solve any physics question, the first thing you need to do is what? Is to understand the question. Are you getting it? First, understand the question and what you are asked to solve for. Are you getting it? Understanding the question alone, like it will help you. Are you getting it? It will help you to identify the particular formula to use. Okay. They said a ball is released from a height. From what? A height above the ground. They said find its velocity after 5 seconds. Take g equal to what? 10 meter per second square. Now, let me explain this. From this equation, we can make use of this formula v equal to u plus gt. V equal to u plus gt. Now, look at this equation. The value of this v stands for what? Final velocity, right? While the u is the initial velocity. If you take note of this equation, the value of both the final velocity and the initial velocity is not given. Are you getting it? Both the value of initial and final velocity is not given. Now, only the value of time and g is given, but these two, the values are not given. Are you getting it? I want to explain something. Whenever an object is released from a height, are you getting it? When an object is released from a height, meaning, let's say this is a vertical line, okay? This is the up, okay? This is up, right? And this is the ground state. Now, whenever an object is being released from this particular height, when you stand on top of a building, if you throw an object, if you throw a particular object, the object will be coming down, isn't it? So when an object is released from this height, the initial velocity at that point is 0. Take note, the initial velocity at that point is what? Is 0. But when you stand on this particular spot, like in the ground state, and you throw object upward, meaning the final velocity is what? 0. Are you getting it? Let me explain again. This is up, right? This is the top of the building, while this one is the down of the building, the downside, right? So if you release, let me say, your phone, okay, your phone is being released, or a football, okay, let me use football. A football is being released from this particular top. Are you getting it? From this particular top, when it's coming down, the initial velocity, which is u, is what? Is 0. But when you stand at this particular point, which is a ground state, and you throw this object upward, when it's going up, the final, which is a v, the final velocity is what? Is 0. So understanding this concept alone will enable you to solve this particular problem. Okay. Now, they said a ball is released from a height, meaning the ball is what? Released from this particular height, right? Meaning that from the explanation, this u is what? 0. So it will now be v equal to 0 plus what? Gt. So v equal to 0 plus this will still give us gt. So now they said find its velocity. So meaning we are asked to find the final velocity. I get me. So therefore, v equal to the acceleration due to gravity is what? Is 10, right? So 10 multiplied by the t is what? Is 5. Therefore, v equal to what? 10 times 5 is 50. So v equal to 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second. So this is how to calculate. You will see this equation during your exam and test period. Are you getting it? So they might change these numbers, okay? They might put this input a number, but take note, even if you are not given this value of g, take note the value of g is what? Is 10 meter per second square. Are you getting it? Is 10 meter per second square. So take note of this explanation, okay? A ball is released from a height. When it's being released from the height is what? The initial velocity, which is u is what? 0. But when the object is going from down, which is the initial state, upward, the v is what? 0. Are you getting it? So this is how to solve this type of question. In case you don't understand, you can rewatch the video. Thanks for watching.